In recent developments, pro-Khalistani groups in Canada have established a joint lobbying organization named Sikh Federation Canada. The primary aim of this organization is to centralize efforts to lobby and influence Canadian political circles, specifically by aligning with Canadian politicians who share their viewpoints or are sympathetic to their causes. This move highlights a concerning shift toward coordinated political activism among pro-Khalistani groups within Canada, which has potential implications for Canada-India relations and for domestic stability within Canada. The Sikh Federation Canada is reportedly formed to unite various Khalistani groups under a common banner, allowing them to better organize and direct their efforts within Canada's political landscape. This federation seeks to leverage the diversity and influence of Canada's Sikh community, aligning with like-minded politicians and public officials who may support their agenda, including discussions around self-determination for Punjab, India, and issues around Sikh identity and religious rights. Through this organization, pro-Khalistani activists aim to streamline their messaging and influence, particularly on issues that may indirectly or directly push the Khalistan agenda. This new structure is likely to amplify their lobbying efforts, enabling them to gain traction with Canadian political figures and garner media attention. The establishment of this lobbying organization may push Canadian political discourse toward endorsing policies or making statements that could be perceived as anti-India. Such a direction could complicate Canada's diplomatic relationships, not only with India but with other countries facing similar separatist movements. While Canada values freedom of speech and association, the government also faces a growing challenge in balancing these rights with the potential diplomatic fallout that such lobbying efforts may incite. India has consistently expressed concerns about Khalistani activities in Canada, asserting that these groups are promoting extremist agendas that threaten India's unity and territorial integrity. The creation of the Sikh Federation Canada will likely deepen these concerns, as it signals an intent to formalize and expand lobbying efforts for Khalistani issues in the Canadian political realm. Given the tense state of India-Canada relations following the recent diplomatic row involving allegations from both sides, the formation of the Sikh Federation Canada may further strain the ties between the two nations. India has called upon Canada to take stronger action against groups it labels as extremist and terror-linked, which are allegedly promoting secessionist ideas within Canadian borders.